Yes. Well water can make you sick, and it can make you sick in a variety of ways. Perhaps the most infamous way of getting sick from well water is a bacterial kind of sickness, and a certain type of virus or bacteria can be in the drinking water. It hasn't been treated, it hasn't been disinfected, and you or someone else drinks that water and you get diarrhea or some other gastrointestinal issue. This is the most kind of notorious way of getting sick from drinking water. And this kind of acute toxicity outside of bacterial toxicity, so outside of bacterial contamination in well water, is kind of rare. So it's common among bacterial contamination. It is not so common to get that immediately sick from chemical contamination. So arsenic, lead, uranium, PFAS, a lot of these other concentrations of contaminants that we look at in well water are much lower, and we call these kind of exposures to these contaminants over time chronic exposures. So even low level concentrations of many heavy metals and other pesticides, other contaminants that are sometimes found in groundwater or well water, these can accrue over time and make you sick, and you might never find out that it was your well water that, God forbid, gave you cancer or something else 10, 20, 30 years down the road. These chronic conditions are very real. They are more difficult to pinpoint. They're not quite like the same smoking gun that a well water bacterial issue is, but they are a very important form of toxicity and danger in well water. So, long story short, can well water make you sick? Yes, it can make you sick, and predominantly in two ways. Either one, all at once very quickly because of acute toxicity from bacteria or from a virus, or two, very slowly, gradually, and dangerously at low levels of chronic exposure over time. Both these things matter a great deal, but can be expressed in very different ways. So yeah, well water can make you sick. Be careful. All right. That's a wrap for today. If you have further questions, please leave them in the comments section below. We will get back to you as quickly as possible.